Been spending most my life living in a gangster's paradise. What is good, people? Back like we never left, yeah? What you man telling me? Another day in Koh Samui. Lovely, lovely, lovely bit of weather. 30 degrees, can't complain. You know them ones. So, yeah. What are we doing today then? Well, I think we're going for a zip line and see what else we can do. I'm waiting, my cards are playing up. I basically ran out of cash. I'm skint, I'm broke, I'm homeless. I've got nothing left. Nah, but yeah, I need to go get some cash out and stuff, but yeah. I've literally just got up, just had a shower and everything, but I am away with the fairies. So yeah, we're gonna go get some food. And yeah, we're gonna get some food and then see what the day brings us, mate. See what there is out there. I'll tell you one thing, right? They don't tell you about Koh Samui, and it's either just random potluck or it is actually like this all the time, but they shouldn't call it Koh Samui. They should call it Koh de Tour de France. The amount of French people here is unreal. Everyone is bonjour, bonjour, petit fallu, je suis. I ain't got a problem with the French, I like the French, but we're in Thailand, boy, innit? I can't get a word in edgeways with you, man, innit? I can't speak French, do you know them ones, bruv? So, yeah, we're gonna go and try and learn some French, maybe, petit fallu and that. But yeah, let's get on the old weapon of mass destruction and see what the day has for us. Boom. So, we're back at the trusty weapon of mass destruction. I come off it earlier. Mashed my leg, well actually yesterday, well on camera, I did my camera on me, but mashed my knee up. Yeah, if I told you I was drink driving, you'd call me an idiot. If I said I was drink driving but I didn't actually have no alcohol, you think I'm even more of an idiot. Yeah, I was carrying a drink and yeah, just ended up crashing into a plant pot. Bit of nearly a write-off, but bite's all cool though, I think anyway. Yeah, bite's all sweet, so yeah, I hopefully get away with that one. But yeah, on my way to go and do a zip line. So looking forward to it, man, to be fair. Gonna go, looks pretty sick, so yeah, gonna go do the zip line and yeah, see what all that's about, you get me? So let's roll, fam. Oh, this is sick, man, just hacking about, bro. Fuel's bare cheap, bare weed shop, bare nice food. I had a lovely little breakfast earlier. Some Thai, rice and chicken. Yeah, like 2 different bits of chicken. No, where is it? Well, anyway, chocolate milkshake, orange juice. Oh, man was like cheap, bro. Under a tenner. Get out there, mate. The drinks are the most expensive thing, bro, isn't it? I mean, a man's got a belly full of food, man. Food as well, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look, we're getting a bit of jungle now. Bit of jungle. Here comes the jungle. Mate, I'm not being funny, I swear I've driven the other side, but like must have done a loop behind. Oh yeah, look at that. I will be stopping there for a zoo later. Oh, don't mind me, sausage. Haha, hello chicken, let's go. Woo, in the bush, you know what I'm saying? Buffon. Aberdeen is what the fuck to my new songs. been funny. I surf Billy on Far Cry. You know, bruv, innit? It's like sound of an Xbox game or something, bruv. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Go. I don't want to speak this into the distance, but this looks like the type of place a big snake or a big tiger or gator or something is going to pop out, start woofing, and have to punch it in its head. Easy scares, I'm trying to make a way up out of here. Big cow. Sat them chicken. Yes, pooch. Boss, my man. That's what I mean, every time I see a log or something in the middle of on the strip, I think, what is that? Is that alive? Is it a potential snake pretending to be a rock in camouflage? Right? Do you get me? And just seeing me thinking, oh, look at this chicken kebab coming along on his ped. Have that in one, mate. Yeah, you ain't met me, I'll beat you with my slipper, motherfucker. Oh, yes, boss. My man, loving live here. This chicken up front. In his belly up, I'm absorbing all the mosquitoes like a real bad man. Oh, it's going uphill and there's people leaving. That means they've been zipping, I'm guessing. And it's going uphill as well, boy. 400 metres, apparently. The more higher we go, the better. Zip line up there, yeah. Thank you, thank you. Cap and cap. Oh, so here we are. Here's the place. Just chuck the bikes. I'll leave my bike. Yeah. I've had an utter stinker. Got all the way up here and yeah, pull up. Yeah, can I get one for one, zip line for one please? Yeah, you have to wait till 4. Well, it was 2 o'clock at the time, it's half 2 now. So yeah, I've just been sitting here thinking what can I do? So I am writing that off. I'm gonna go to a viewpoint, I'm gonna hit a beach, let's chill for a bit, and then yeah, probably do some go-karting later because yeah, this is a write-off. I'll book it up tomorrow. I'll book it up tonight for tomorrow, so we'll do that tomorrow after the Pig Island because that's all paid for. So yeah, that's all done as well. So yeah, should be good. I'm looking forward to it though, but yeah, it's got to wait till tomorrow now. It's a bit like Christmas. It's like Christmas Eve today. So, but yeah, just gonna literally chill here for a minute or two, taking the scenery, and then yeah, catch me at the viewpoint. On the way to this viewpoint, right, and I've had to go up this steep mountain. Got about halfway there, mate, he's just stopped me. But look at the view. Look at these views, man. And it's got a complimentary zoot bench, bruv. Yeah? Obviously, man, I had to hit that up. But yeah, that's the views. Still heading to the viewpoint, but this is a sick view anyway, Bob. I hope this other one's better, Bob. So, yeah, man. I mean, look how steep these hills are, bruv. I've not seen one car, moped, and I've saw 2 farmers, 2 dogs. One dog looked militant, the other one was giving it, but he looked scatty.
Look, I'm on the brakes. This is, it may not look, this is steep, bro. I had to come up this, yeah? My bike could barely get up here, honestly. Because a lot of it spirals. It's not even like straight, so you can get any speed. Look at this, man. As if Google Maps classes this as a road. This is not a road. This is hell. This is sketchy. Oh look, yeah, I remember this bit. Oh, look, this is where it flattens out a bit. And then look, this is another thing as well. So this is where the alarm bell should have been ringing for me, right? Just one sec. I was driving on a nice road before this, right? And then it says, take a left. Honestly, these Google Maps like in Thailand, they've just like, they do not care. Ready? Ready? Look, I was on that nice concrete and it was like, yeah, come across this waterfall. Like, mate, I could drown. Lucky I didn't. Yeah? No stopping me, boy! Now we're cooking! Now we're cooking! Yeah? Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, I've got a fly in the eye, great. Aha. Bruv, look at this, what I've got to drive on. This is a joke. I've got to just be like on this track, bruv. This is crazy. I can't go any faster. I've got no balance. I have no balance. This is... There we go. There we go. Roll with the good times, baby. I've made it, Jesus Christ. More off-roading, mate. Oh no, back on. Oh Jesus Christ, it's like a train track for road. You think some bits ain't as bad, but look at this bit here. This is treacherous, mate. Treacherous. Google Maps in Thailand, right off. Stick to the main roads. Don't try and be clever. Oh, there we go. This is sick though. Like, I literally just drive in the middle of nowhere, mate. I had no phone signal, you know what I mean? So if anything happens to me, it's collapsible, but that's what adds to the excitement. Whoop. Look, paradise says there. Recenter this. What's going on with that? There we go. Mate, I've been on like 22 minutes for like 45 minutes. Just want to get there and get a lovely ice cold Oreo milkshake. And if they ain't got that, oh, it's class, mate. It's class. Oh, why are you revving? Don't rev, all right? You do as you're told. When I'm on the brakes, you brake. Bike's got a mind of its own, bruv. Like, honestly, the fact Google classes this as a road, it baffles me. I wouldn't even walk this. This isn't even foot job worthy. Foot soldiers would not be walking on this. There we go. Oh, Jesus. This is sick. Look at that for a view, bruv. Look at this. There's the world's worst road with the world's best views, bruv. This is sick. Oh, let's see if I can get a better position. Alright, so I'm out of them trees to show you, man, more. Ooh. That's what I mean. They'll all say, oh yeah, go and visit this viewpoint. They don't show you this, bruv. They don't show you the struggle. Oh, hello. Hello, chicken. Little doggy. Hello, chicken. Alright, he looks a bit on smoke. Let's leave him. Bamba. Bamba. What is the point? What am I doing? Like, what am I doing in my life? This is a joke. This is honestly... I know professional riders and they wouldn't even do this. This is a madness. Ow. Get back on this smooth bit. Think that's on the edge. There we go, bit of speed. But these views get better and better. Look at all that, man. Look at all that. We're in jungle, mate, I'm telling you. Oh, back on the train tracks. Choo choo, boys, choo choo. Lucky I've got Thomas the Tank Engine, the weapon of mass destruction, to guide me through. Yeah, God forbid you bought a car down there, even a smart car or something. Jesus Christ. Oh, that's just like a jump there, mate. I ain't even going down that bit. There we go. Oh, Jesus Christ. Mate. You see these Instagram models, yeah, and all these people go and take these weird pictures. Oh, Jesus Christ. On these views, yeah, they don't show you this, yeah. These lot must have crusty foot. What is that? I thought it was a rat then. They must have crusty foot or something, man. There's no way they're travelling all this way. Oh look, Attack of the Chickens. I need to get a move on because I've got less than 20% battery and I've not got a clue where I am. So let's get there, get back on the main road ASAP with a rocket. Mate, this is painful. As you can tell, I ain't got a chocolate milkshake, but we are here. And look, they got a swing there, like that. I'm just getting people on a swing. We've got a little like circle thing over here, benches, bean bags and that, but look at this for a view. You can hear the snakes, them rattling. Sick view though. I'll look over it. Definitely had joints in worse positions and places, I'll tell you that. On my days, there's a pool down there. Look, got a pool. is peaceful and it's nice. I'll get some food, but that ride is taking me. What's the time now? What is the time? It's 4 o'clock, 10 past 4. I could have done that thingy, that zip line if I waited. All that riding, but no, man. Oh, there's a hammock over there as well. I'm not going to sit up. I'm going to chill on the hammock, man. Roll the zoo and just pass the time, bruv, innit? Enjoy life, you know, them ones. So. Yeah, we're currently upside down at the minute, so bear with me. But yeah, we're just off to go see the go-karts. Gonna go do some go-karting. Well, I'm gonna go there, see if I need to book up, because it's open till midnight. So I'll see if they say that I'll wait an hour or so, because it's in the town. I'm gonna go and get some food. So yeah, cut to me at the go-kart shop. Yeah, so here it is. Here's the weapon and the wall and the plant pot of questions. Look, see all these plant pots here? I was outside that 7-Eleven, I've come round here and I've just not let go of the thing, and them bricks and that. Them bricks there is what I hit. That plant pot. I even lost my shoe. I lost my slide, it's been stuck in the pen. I couldn't find it for about 15 minutes, well about 5 minutes. Everyone was still staring at me. I just wanted to dip out there, ball, you know them ones, innit? But the game is the game. All I bring you is power, all I bring you is power. You love with a shadow, love with a shadow. Baby girl, I'm a shadow, I'm a shadow. Well, I've turned up to do some go-karting. Well, it's definitely not busy. There's only one person on the track. 2 people just turned up, but yeah, so yeah, let's go and get it. Actually, we're coming for the best time of the month. So I want best time of the year, man. Coming for the title ball. Not too bad. There's people up here, so, but there's a lot of form filling out to do. I just want to get in the car and drive. Go get some food. I mean, got busy days tomorrow, but you know what I'm saying. But long may it continue. Let them all do the faffing about. They'll be getting smoked in about 10-15 minutes. So yeah. We're about to get it started, man. Get the helmets out, blood. The XL for the big heads. Might even wear a jacket just for the culture, ball. I'm gassed. I'm gonna start smoking, man. Quick, boy. Mate, I'm far too tall for this. This is made for small Asian people. I'm not small when I'm not Asian. This is bloody horrible. My legs are killing. No room at all, mate. Even the helmet is extra large, and that was hard to get on. But yeah, we're outside, baby. Oh. Yeah, nice one, boss. Thank you, thank you. Lovely stuff. Cheers, bud. There we go. Pull the seat back for me. I've lost my petrol. I'm just not lost it. Or I've left it in my ped. Or it's in my come on!
Your helmet will lock it.
Oh, lock it.
And before
I won't
in the
hit the
corner.
bike, sorry.
Yeah, before in the corner. Little bit brake, nah? Put in the brake, huh?
Yeah.
Okay ครับ Good ไว้
Yeah, all good.
Good ไว้
Yeah, good,
โอเค
good.
ครับได้แล้วก็
Yeah, I can't get this off. That was sick. That was absolutely sick. How do you get this off, mate? There you go.
You should have in this house at the top.
Yes, my man. That was sick. Yes, my man. Yes, yes.
You buy how many race now?
How many races? I got one more race.
Oh, you have one more. Okay, you
Yeah.
go give me a ticket, baby. Thank you.
No worries. Cheers, bud. Oh, hit my camera. 1 second. Let's talk to you guys. Don't get another ticket. Boosters. I'll leave the hell. I'll leave the net on. Got it. Hey, that was sick. Look, I look like a what's it called? Dinner lady. But yeah, that was sick. Slapped it. I'm gonna do another one now. Now I know what I'm doing. I wanna go on that track, bro. That track looks alright. Say that ain't got a bridge though. No, so I like track we're on. So we'll keep the same track. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Round 2. The whole track to myself, boy. Same corner, man.
Alright, yeah?
I'm good, yeah, I'm good.
Be far in your corner.
I go too fast, too fast.
Break, nah?
Yeah,
You can't break too hard, yeah, brother. Yeah, no. Okay, come back.
Thank you. it. Yes, my man. Thank you. Top and down, my brother, yeah? Lewis Hamilton and them, man, bro. Bruv, that was sick. That was sick, man. Oh, far too big for these, I'll tell you that. Yeah, big up the 5 foot gang, because man is too tall for that. But yeah, that was sick, man. That was sick. Let me go get my shit. And yeah, that was sick, man. I slapped it. Bruv, that was sick, man. I had a time of my life, man. I had the whole track to myself, but I was slapping them bends, bro, innit? You gotta get out here, bro. Yeah, cheap as well, it was like 30 quid or whatever. 20 quid, 30 quid? I don't even know, I can't even work out. It's too much. Bruv, it's like £40 for a pound here. Do you know how mad it is? £1, how like it's disrespected over here, in a sense of 1 bar. There's homeless kids who ask me for cash the other day. I give them £1. They looked at me like, yo, what is this? Like, if you give someone £1 in the UK, at least the homeless will say thank you. You know them ones, innit? But yeah, man. But now we're gonna get some food now. We're gonna find something Bunners and have probably an early night. Don't know if we'll call it there or not. But yeah, if you like the content, man, make sure you like and subscribe, innit? Yeah? Pay your rent, rude boy, innit? Yeah. I mean, it's time to pay your bills. I'm saying, innit? Otherwise, you have to start doing the dishes or something, or you ain't be able to eat in this restaurant ever again, rude boy. Just lock it off. You get what I'm saying? You won't like that, bro. I mean, for a temper tantrum, bro. But yeah, man. Like and subscribe. Yeah. But yeah. See you in a bit.